Good morning, good afternoon, and evening. I have a package here that I got from Novelkeys. I've been waiting about 3 years for them to get whatever mystery thing this is um, back in stock because it's a pretty damn good price. But it is a mystery item from Novelkeys. Yay. So let's open it up together and see what's inside. If you like this content and want to help me out, there's donato links in the description below, where you can help toss a couple coins my way, or you could help me procure some hardware via an Amazon wishlist. We'll make these streams better. Anywho, let's open this up. Ooh. Come on. Mystery switches. Not so mystery anymore. Well, I be damned. They're Kale Browns. I be damned. This is absolutely hilarious. Here, let me be right back and show you why. The reason is a particular keyboard that I was going to replace keycaps or key switches in is well, it's got a couple of dead switches in it. Hence why I felt no qualms in replacing the switches in it. And I was aiming to replace all of them. But the thing is, now I don't have to. Because the keyboard that I was going to replace the switches in already has browns. So all I need to do is replace, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because something went and bashed these so they don't work appropriately. But yeah, huh, that's neat. I have browns. Not very clicky like the blues, but ooh, nice little sticker too. Very, very angry. Anywho, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that jam. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.